Hi friends, now we have motherboard, Gigabyte motherboard, and also we have NVMe SSD. Now I will show you how to install this SSD. First thing what you have to do is you need to be open this like this, it will open. Okay, then you need to fix like this. I'll show you like this. Then you need to push this notch. That's it. Okay. Thank you.